Welcome back everyone to our first ever unboxing video of our channel. The annual flagship event of Apple was streamed live on September 15th. We expected Apple to release the iPhone 12, the new iWatch and the new iPad, but the iPhone 12 release was postponed for a different date. Let's unbox and talk about the all new iWatch today. This is the new iWatch Series 6 and it's the 44mm blue watch. It has a couple of new features which might raise a few eyebrows, and it is the reason why it is one of the best smartwatches out there. We'll get to that in a bit and let's see what's inside the box. We got the charging cable as usual, but here's an interesting thing which has been quite a controversial move by Apple. Apple has removed the USB power adapter that normally comes with the box. I personally agree with Apple for their efforts to reduce environmental impacts, but was leaving the USB power adapter a right move? Please do share your thoughts in the comment section. So to conclude, the Apple Watch Series 6 comes with a powerful S6 chip inside and a few new features, and probably these are the main differences to the Series 5. In other words, you get a Series 5 Apple Watch with a few alterations. Well played Apple. Apple have released two types of solo loops, the silicone loop and the braided loop. This right here is the blue silicone loop, which is a continuous band. The new Series 6 comes with a handy and smart new feature which allows us to measure our blood oxygen level within 15 seconds. Although this is a cool feature, this shouldn't be the main reason to buy the Apple Watch. The new iWatch will also detect when you are washing your hands and reminds you to wash your hands frequently. How cool is that, especially considering we are right in the middle of a pandemic? Apple has also upgraded the always-on display. The display is much brighter outdoor now, which makes it much easier to read messages and view which song is being played. There is something really cool worth mentioning in the sleep tracking mode in the Apple Watch. When you set an alarm, the Apple Watch can tap you awake with the help of the haptic motor inside. Now, that's something you don't see on many devices. So to conclude, the Apple Watch Series 6 comes with a powerful S6 chip inside and a few new features, and probably these are the main differences to the Series 5. In other words, you get a Series 5 Apple Watch with a few alterations. So I guess there's no need for Series 5 users to make the switch, unless you have too much money and you don't know how to spend it. But for people who own a Series 4 or below, or even if you don't even own a smartwatch, the iWatch Series 6 would be a really good option to consider. So this is it for today's video. We got many exciting videos coming up in Techtober. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe if you loved it. This is Geek Forum, and catch you in the next one.